Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership. Have your receipt, card, or order email ready so staff can verify purchase. Once done, do not try to force the tag off or use household tools. That risks damage and injury. Make sure to approach the store's customer service or security desk calmly and explain the situation. Saying you bought the item but left the receipt at home is fine. Staff can often look up the sale. This avoids legal risk and preserves the item's condition. You hand over the receipt or payment proof and request that authorized staff remove the tag for you. Once the employee verifies the purchase, they will use the store's designated equipment to disengage the tag. This protects the merchandise and prevents injury. Stay nearby and observe to confirm no damage occurs, but avoid interfering. If the tag does not detach cleanly, stay calm and let staff escalate to a manager rather than attempting DIY fixes. After the tag is removed, inspect the item carefully for any scratches or residue and ask staff to address any concerns immediately. Managers can often provide a solution. Make sure to keep your receipt until you're home and satisfied with the purchase. If the store refuses assistance or cannot verify the sale, request to speak with a manager or contact the retailer's customer service. Do not attempt to remove the tag yourself. A single troubleshooting tip: if removal stalls, pause and ask for escalation rather than forcing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.